perpetual futures trading on the Tron blockchain has seen a notable uptick, with volume increasing by 20% over the past 7 days. According to data tracked by DefiLlama, perp volume on the Tron network reached over $170 million in a single 24-hour period. This surge indicates a growing interest in on-chain derivatives on a blockchain typically associated with stablecoin settlement rather than speculative trading. Tron has long been a dominant force in payments, processing around 8 million transactions per day and hosting more USDT than any other chain, with over $86 billion in stablecoins as of April 2026. The deep liquidity in stablecoins appears to be attracting leveraged traders, who are drawn to Tron's low and predictable transaction fees. These fees are significantly lower than those on Ethereum, making Tron an attractive option for traders looking to avoid gas volatility. The recent increase in perp volume is part of a broader trend in on-chain derivatives activity. The growth is being driven by platforms like SunPerp, the primary perpetual futures DEX on the Tron network. While SunPerp saw a 37% drop in volume from $22 billion to $14 billion in Q1 2026, the recent weekly increase suggests a partial recovery in activity heading into May. This pattern indicates a gradual but consistent build in interest in Tron's decentralized finance. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And derivatives platforms. Despite the broader market slowdown, Tron's ecosystem is showing signs of resilience. The increase in perp volume is a concrete indicator that traders are finding value in the Tron network's infrastructure. The combination of stablecoin liquidity and low fees is likely a key factor in this growth. However, the sustainability of this momentum remains uncertain and will depend on whether funding rates and liquidity conditions continue to favor Tron over competing blockchains. The data also highlights the evolving role of Tron in the broader crypto landscape. While traditionally known for its payments infrastructure, the blockchain is now attracting a new class of users interested in derivatives trading. This shift could signal a broader diversification of Tron's use cases beyond stablecoin settlement. The next signal to watch is whether the recent volume increase is a temporary spike or the start of a more sustained trend. If funding rates remain favorable and liquidity continues to grow, Tron could see a lasting shift in its on-chain activity. On the other hand, if market conditions change or competing chains offer better incentives, the momentum could stall. The growth in perp volume is also a reflection of broader on-chain activity trends. As more traders seek alternatives to high-cost blockchains like Ethereum, Tron's low fees and stablecoin infrastructure position it as a viable alternative. This could lead to increased adoption of Tron-based derivatives platforms in the coming months. Ultimately, the recent increase in Tron's perp volume is a sign of growing interest in the blockchain's derivatives ecosystem. While the long-term trajectory remains uncertain, the current data suggests that Tron is becoming a more attractive option for leveraged traders seeking lower costs and deeper liquidity. The mechanism driving this growth is clear. Stablecoin liquidity and low transaction costs are creating a favorable environment for derivatives trading. As more traders move to Tron, the network's derivatives platforms could see further adoption, especially if they continue to offer competitive funding rates and liquidity. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The stakes are high for Tron, as the blockchain has the potential to expand beyond its current role as a payments infrastructure and establish itself as a hub for on-chain derivatives. The next signal will be whether this recent volume increase leads to a broader and more sustained uptrend in perp trading activity. If it does, it could signal a shift in how the market perceives Tron's capabilities beyond stablecoin settlement. If not, it may remain a niche use case within a broader ecosystem dominated by other chains. Either way, the current data suggests that Tron is gaining traction in the derivatives space, and that trend is worth watching closely.